Dancehall artist Dexta Daps remains in police custody despite not being charged.
I can confirm he is still in police custody at this point and he has not been charged.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Dexta Daps on Thursday spent his second night behind bars at the Hunts Bay police station in Kingston. This after he was detained on Wednesday afternoon. Queen's Counsel Peter Champagnie, one of two attorneys at law representing the dancehall Singh, said his client is eager to prove his innocence.
Right. I can confirm that I have now been retained to represent Mr. Grandison. He is still in custody at this point in time. I have since written to the authorities, the police high command, indicating that I have been retained to represent him along with Mr. Kamar Robinson, and we are available for a formal interview or to assist in any way that we can in whatever investigations that they are pursuing. We do not know what it is about, and in those circumstances, I am awaiting a response from them. If it is that a time has passed where I consider it to be unreasonable, then I will have to take another action. But we are with that period.
Champagnie said his client has not been charged.
He is still in police custody at this point and he has not been charged. Hence the reason for my formal communication to them, the police high command indicating that I am available on his behalf to participate in any interview or any inquiries that they would wish to have in terms of whatever it is that they're investigating, because the investigations, to my mind, have not been in terms of the purpose. Yes. It has not yet been revealed in a detailed way that it is to my understanding and satisfaction. So we are here at this juncture where I'm awaiting their response to my letter.
The attorney said he's not aware of what the purpose of the arrest is, and he is awaiting their response. Champagnie also said that his client is maintaining that he is innocent of any wrongdoing.
As far as I am concerned, and based on my instructions, he remains a law-abiding citizen, and he is indicating that he has done nothing wrong. Those are my instructions. Of course, I can't go into any further details, and I would not wish to compromise my position as lawyer to a client in terms of information, nor would I want to jeopardize any investigations that are being pursued at this time by the police.
Meanwhile, Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit, was quoted earlier in the week as saying, "The police have been doing their investigation for a while, and the police have reached a point in their investigation where they have taken him and several other men into custody. I cannot say much more because the investigation is at a sensitive stage," Lindsay said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.